guys, welcome to our channel. This is first video, not the first build. We named in Cali disaster. First video, we got 2016 Ford F350 Let. We currently bought it from auction, and we're gonna work on this build. It's not gonna be just me, it's gonna be my brother. Let me introduce you guys to him. His name is Torik. Say what's up. So we might gonna have another guy helping out, but for now I want to go over this truck that we got here and just show you guys a little bit about it. It's gonna be probably 5 videos of this truck, so make sure you guys stay tuned, turn your post notification so you guys will get notified every time we upload the video. Currently, as you guys see on the thumbnail, I had a bed, but currently I don't have it. I lost the footage of me taking off the bed, but I already picked it up from a Craigslist. So I got the bed already, and it's currently at the shop right now. I got some footage that I'm gonna enter right now. They're already working on the bed, so this is amazing. But as you guys saw in the image on the thumbnail, this truck, it was wrecked from this side, and the whole bed was just smashed in. When I purchased it, I thought I'm gonna have to replace the frame or put on the framing and just work around, but luckily we got the frame straight. We already tested everything. All the bolts are lined up, so the bed is gonna go on it and it won't have no problems. We did have some damage, which is right here, but it's all, we can buff it up. That side as well has little dent, nothing too major. This is all gonna be covered up. As you guys see around, this truck doesn't have any damage. The body is clean, 2016. You guys can look at inside. It's like a, what color is this? Like a beige color. Yeah, everything's clean. Like looks like nobody even drove in the back seat. Yeah, it had some kind of dog hair. Looks like dog. But this is inside. I think it has. Yeah, it does have a start. You can start with the button. Let me try it actually. Let's see if it starts up. Ooh. Because on my other truck that I had, the 2011, didn't have this feature, but this is amazing. Yeah, let me show them a little bit inside. So I'm gonna have to enter the key. Let me see. Okay. So let's see. So it doesn't have any chicken. It does have the light for the tires because we took the wheels off and we put some random wheels right now. It has 107,779, so 107,000 miles, and yeah, this truck is nice. Literally, it looks like it's been driving on a highway. Since you guys don't see no damage and they never put it in work, but we will put in work. This truck definitely. It does have the screen, which is nice. I love this feature. It has navigation, pretty much everything in there. It does have the sunroof there, so this is another cool feature. All the seats are, you can turn them in. Let me see if I can get a home. Yeah, pretty much you can adjust your seat. You can put on cool them down or warm them up, so it's pretty cool. All the seats are movable. I like that. I noticed it has some dirty spot right here, but we'll definitely clean that up. But the back is really clean, super clean. What else? It does have some dirt right here. We'll take care of that. Yeah, the truck is in a good condition. Let's take a look in the front. First, let me turn it off the truck here.
How did it lock? You pressing the button next time?
I don't know, I think so.
It's running, so why would it lock?
So we just locked our truck. I don't know how, I guess I clicked the wrong button, and I don't know the password for the keyless. So I guess now I have to call the AAA and have them open up the truck. Storage already calling them. Perfect. See you guys in a minute.
This don't have your code?
Yeah, I just got this truck. Oh, you just got it? We're gonna have the guy open up the truck for us. All right, we're in. Open up. Turn it up. That's how you do it, boys. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem, guys.
All right, that was crazy. Sorry about that, guys. Shout out to the guy that opened up the truck for us. That's amazing, having AAA. But let's move on to the front. I want to show you guys a little bit about the front. So the wheels that I have on it right now, this is all gonna be gone. We're gonna be putting bigger wheels, of course. We're gonna put airlift on this truck. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. This is first time we're gonna be lifting up this truck with airbags, and it's gonna be amazing. So this is kind of what we already planned it out to do. Let's go to the front. So we don't have the bumper. I'll show you guys. It's in the back, but pretty much this car was got hit in the back, and I guess there was a car in the front as well, so he impacted the car in the front. So I'm gonna be putting brand new bumper here, so you guys will see that. It does have a grill crack right here. If you come down here, Thorlik, show them this. So it does have a crack. We're probably gonna have to fix this up because I looked it up. The grill is like $1,200, and I'm not trying to spend that. And this is all we can buff it up. Buff it up and just make it work. This bracket will be replaced as well. You guys can see it's like pushed in. This truck is literally clean. We're gonna have to probably clean it up right now before we start. You guys ready for this? Oh, let me show you guys the bumper. So this is, I left some parts because I'm gonna be take off all the sensors, all the wiring, and put on my new bumper, and I'll show you guys later, maybe next video. But this is the back, the rear bumper, and the front bumper. The front bumper, you guys see this is the damage in the front. We are, of course, gonna use all these trims, all these moldings, the fog lights, pretty much everything. We'll use it. I have the bumper, so we're gonna have to paint it and then put everything on it. This is the tailgate. You guys see this? I cut out a little part for the painter guy to match it up the color with the bed they're already working on to paint that bed. So yeah, this is the tailgate that I left it. I want to show you guys. It has pretty much everything. Literally, it's just all bent. So I'm gonna be putting everything on the other tailgate because my other tailgate is from 2011 truck, and it doesn't have the feature, the step. It doesn't have none of that. So we're gonna have to probably take everything from this one and put it on the other tailgate. Yeah, it has like camera there, right? Yeah, that looks like a camera.
You have to remove all that.
Yeah, so, oh, I forgot the exhaust. We are gonna be probably straight piping, adding more power to this truck. As it came in, I didn't see this part, but it was missing the tip, and this is all bent. Look at this. So we're probably gonna have to go smog this baby and then straight pipe it or something. We're gonna have to order the pipes. I don't think they allow in California to order them, but we'll see. So let's clean up the truck. finally finished detailing everything. You guys ready to see this? Let's go. And it's end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys will stay tuned till the end when we're gonna finish building this truck. Comment down below what do you guys think, what kind of lift we're gonna be putting on this truck, what kind of wheels and tires and exhaust and everything. What do you guys think? And yeah, pretty much everything's ordered. I ordered with my brother last week, and everything's coming soon. It's probably end of this week. Yeah, it's gonna come end of this week. So we're gonna start working on this truck, stripping down the bumper that's been, paint the other bumper, paint some bunch of stuff, and I'll show you guys everything. Make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe down below if you guys like this video and you guys want to continue watching and finding out what's gonna happen to this truck after I build, putting the bed and tailgate and the bumpers and the lift. It's gonna be a nice truck. I'm thinking of doing some more customization, but we'll see later on. I'm trying to fit in the budget. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.